Hey besties, in today's video I will be sharing with you 5 websites that give free money. Yes, so if this strikes as something you're interested in, please keep on watching this video all the way till the end. By the way, when I say free money, I'm talking about free money. Yes, you don't have to pay back. So make sure that you watch this video all the way till the end. I also have a giveaway at the end of today's video. Yes, I'm also giving out free money. So make sure that you watch this video all the way till the end. If you're new here, by all means, I'd like to know you and me too. Please go ahead and introduce yourselves. Yes, go ahead and introduce yourself. I want to know you. Where are you watching from? How did you find my video? Who sent it to you? Yes, and that is about it. So let's get right into today's business. Come with me, guys. Let's go. By now, I'm sure that you will agree with me that money allows us to meet our basic needs, to buy food and shelter and pay for healthcare. Meeting these needs is actually essential, and if we don't have enough money to do that, our personal well-being and the well-being of the community as a whole will suffer greatly. Guys, money is something that is very important. I mean, beyond the basic needs, money helps us achieve our life's goals and support the things that we care about most deeply, like family, like education, healthcare, charity, adventure, and of course fun. Yes, you want to travel around the world. Money helps us get some of the life's intangibles. Yes, freedom, independence, the opportunity to make the most of our skills and talents, and of course the ability to choose our own course in life. Financial security. With money, a lot of good can be done and much unnecessary suffering will be avoided and eliminated. The first website on my list here is the Andrew W. Mellon Foundation. Guys, this foundation endeavors to strengthen, promote, and when necessary, defend the contributions of the humanities and the arts to human flourishing and to the well-being of diverse and democratic society. To this end, they support exemplary institutions of higher education and culture as they renew and provide access to an invaluable heritage of ambitious, path-breaking ground. The foundation makes grants in 5 core program areas like higher education and scholarship in the humanities, arts and culture, cultural heritage, diversity, scholarly communications, and international higher education and strategic projects. Guys, the Andrew W. Mellon Foundation is your go-to. The next website on my list here is Bloomberg. Yes, Bloomberg Philanthropies. Bloomberg Philanthropies work to ensure better, longer lives of the greatest number of people by focusing on 5 key areas: the arts, education, the environment, government, and innovation, and of course public health. Bloomberg Philanthropies, yes, is your go-to plug. The next website on my list here is Silicon Valley Community Foundation. Guys, I will be calling it SVCF. Yes, Silicon Valley Community Foundation. They offer grants to eligible organizations through their strategic grants making focus areas: economic security, education, immigration, building strong communities. Guys, Silicon Valley Community Foundation is your plug. The next website on my list here is the Mariam A and Harry B Helmsley Charitable Trusts. I know you've not heard of these websites before, but of course you can apply for free money grants on these websites. I'm telling you. So guys, I'm going to keep it running on the screen so that you don't make a mistake while you're trying to type it out on Google. They strive to make a meaningful impact in their focus areas, employing not only their significant financial assets, but also a rigorous and results-oriented approach. They are committed to close and productive partnerships with their grantees, as well as other funders and impact players in the government, academia, and private sector who share their interests and goals. They also endeavor to be forward-thinking in every aspect of their work, and it includes taking risks that other people cannot or will not, when they conclude that the risk or reward trade-off warrants investment. The next website on my list is the Helmsley Charitable Trusts. So guys, this trust aspires to improve lives, by supporting exceptional efforts in the United States and around the world in health, and select space-based initiatives. Mariam A and Harry B Helmsley Charitable Trust is one website that you should go and seek grants for. The next website on my list here is the Rockefeller Foundation's mission. Guys, they have been around since 1913 to promote the well-being of humanity throughout the world. Today, they pursue the mission through dual goals: advancing inclusive economies that expand opportunities for more broadly shared prosperity, and building resilience by helping people, communities, and institutions prepare for, withstand, and emerge stronger from acute shocks and chronic stresses. To achieve these goals, they work at the intersection of 4 focus areas: advance health, to revalue ecosystems, to secure livelihoods, and transform cities. They also address the root causes of emerging challenges and create systemic change 2013. Together with partners and grantees, the Rockefeller Foundation strives to catalyze and scale transformative innovations, create unlikely partnerships that span sectors, and take risks that other people cannot. I'm going to share more websites that give free money in my next video. But yes, like I mentioned, did I remember to even mention that I have a giveaway? Yes, are you excited? Yes, even watching my videos is one way to make money, because you never know which video you would watch and you stand a chance to win my own giveaway. So besties, I'm going to be giving away $100. Yes, so by watching this video, you can see that you have the potential to just collect $100 just by tuning in to watch my video. So here is how to enter for my own $100 giveaway. Besties, I have finally launched, well, we have finally launched our Telegram community, our Telegram channel. Yeah, so what you need to do is invite 50 of your friends. Bring 50 of your friends into my Telegram community. What I mean is, don't just send the link to 50 people. You can send the link to 500 people or 1,000 people with the hope that 50 people will join my Telegram community through your link. So besties, that is how to apply for it. Once you have added, you are sure that 50 people have joined my Telegram community using your link, then the next thing you need to do is to go ahead and come back to this video and let me know. Yes, put it in writing. Just type it here in the comments that, hey Mariam, I have added 50 people to your Telegram community. Or even if you added more than 50 people, let me know in the comments. Do not try to inflate the figures. Yes, do not try to inflate the figures, because that's going to disqualify you automatically. So I will select a winner randomly and I will email you, ask for your ID, yes, a personal identification details, where I can verify that you truly are the one I've been interacting with in my comment section. The world is full of scams these days, so yes, I need to be double sure that you are the ideal winner before I send you the money. I'm gonna credit you anywhere in the world. I can Zelle the money to you. I can Zelle the $100 to you. I'll send it to you through PayPal or Cash App or Venmo, and I can also send you through Western Union money transfer, so you don't have to be here before I can send you the money. And that is it, guys, for today. If you have any questions for me regarding this channel, if you have any suggestions, you have any complaints, or you have any feedbacks for me, please let me know in the comments. I am working for you guys day and night. So guys, I'm working for you day and night, so please feel free to express yourselves in the comments. I will be more than happy to always respond to every single one of you. And that is it, guys, for today. I don't think I've introduced myself yet. My name is Mariam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share with you various ways to make money, and now I'm kind of like introducing grants, yes, to which is free money that you don't have to pay back. If you want to see more of just how to make money videos on my channel, please let me know. Your wish is my command. There are no stupid questions here. Feel free to always ask your questions every single time. I'll be more than happy to respond to you, besties. So that is it, guys, for today. If you have any question, don't hesitate to let me know. If you would like me to do a research tailored to your specification, let me also know in the comments. And right now, I want to say a big thank you to my amazing Patreon members. If you would like to join my Patreon membership, please find the link in the description as well as in the comments. When you join my Patreon membership, you can book a free one-on-one consultation with me. We can discuss all things grants, money, business, and everything in between. It's all about helping you become the best version of yourself and also begin to make money from the comfort of your home. And that is it, guys, for today. Take care of yourselves. In case no one has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you are amazing, and I am super duper proud of you. Take care of yourselves and go to Express, and I will see you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye for now. Love you.